Welcome back to Quiz Wizard. Here you go. 30 new alternative questions. Same math quiz style, short, clear, 1. What is the result of 6 plus 9? 14, 15, 16. Answer is 15. How much is 20 minus 8? 10, 12, 14. Answer is 12. Can you solve 4 times 7? 28, 24, 32. Answer is 28. What is 18 divided by 3? 9, 5, 6. Answer is 6. How much is 15 plus 12? 27, 26, 28. Answer is 27. What is the result of 30 minus 14? 18, 2016. Answer is 16. Can you solve 9 times 6? 48, 56, 54. Answer is 54. How much is 27 divided by 9? 2, 3, 4. Answer is 3. What is 8 times 8? 64, 68, 56. Answer is 64. How much is 50 minus 23? 29, 30, 27. Answer is 27. What is the result of 10 times 4? 40, 36, 44. Answer is 40. Can you solve 42 divided by 7? 6, 7, 5. Answer is 6. How much is 17 plus 18? 35, 36, 34. Answer is 35. What is the result of 60 divided by 5? 10, 12, 15. Answer is 12. How much is 9 squared? 72, 81, 91. Answer is 81. Can you solve 25 plus 30? 50, 55, 60. Answer is 55. What is the result of 72 divided by 8? 8, 10, 9. Answer is 9. How much is 6 times 11? 60, 66, 72. Answer is 66. What is the result of 40 plus 16? 56, 54, 58. Answer is 56. Can you solve 90 minus 42? 48, 52, 46. Answer is 48. How much is 12 times 4? 48, 40, 44. Answer is 48. What is the result of 80 divided by 10? 8, 10, 6. Answer is 8. Can you solve 54 minus 27? 25, 29, 27. Answer is 27. How much is 7 times 9? 72, 54, 63. Answer is 63. What is the result of 100 minus 64? 34, 36, 38. Answer is 36. How much is 14 times 3? 41, 42, 43. Answer is 42. Can you solve 33 plus 29? 61, 62, 63. Answer is 62. What is the result of 45 divided by 5? 9, 8, 7. Answer is 9. How much is 16 plus 17? 31, 32, 33. Answer is 33. What is the result of 99 minus 55? 44, 45, 43. Answer is 44.